Hidden in the ancient heart of Anuradhapura lies a remarkable feat of engineering, Eth Pokuna, or the Elephant Pond. Not named after elephants, but for its colossal size, vast enough to rival the grandeur of an elephant itself. Stretching 159 meters long, 53 meters wide, and 9.5 meters deep, this man-made marvel could hold over 75,000 cubic meters of water, a lifeline for the thousands of monks who once thrived within the sacred grounds of the Abhayagiriya Monastery. Built during the peak of Sri Lanka's hydraulic engineering era, Eth Pokuna was fed by an underground canal network, seamlessly connected to the Periyamkulama tank. A system so advanced, parts of it still function to this day. Surrounded by whispering trees and echoes of the past, Eth Pokuna is more than just an ancient reservoir. It's a testament to human ingenuity, a reflection of how nature and architecture once thrived in perfect harmony. Standing beside Eth Pokuna, you don't just see history, you feel it. A place where the brilliance of ancient minds flows silently beneath the surface, inviting us to pause, reflect, and admire. Best time to visit year-round, especially during serene early mornings or peaceful sunsets. Entry fee, included in the Anuradhapura site ticket, USD 20 to 30. Fun fact, the name Eth Pokuna symbolizes its immense size, not because elephants bathed here. Eth Pokuna, the elephant pond, where ancient engineering meets timeless tranquility.